Hello, everyone. Welcome to another interesting learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's maths lesson, we're going to be learning to multiply by 1 and 0. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to know how to multiply by 1 and 0. Come along, let's learn together. Now, before we progress, I would like you to have a go at these questions. These you were able to learn in my previous video. So pause the video right now and have a go at these questions. Welcome back. I hope you were able to get the answers correctly. So 1000 divided by 100 would give us what? 10. If you wrote 10, your answer is correct. Thumbs up. Okay, 2100 divided by 10 would give us what? 210. Good job. Well done. And then finally, 4500 divided by 10 would give us what? This 0 cancels out this 0 cancels out this. So we have what? 45. It's the same as saying 4500 divided by 100. So if these are your answers, then you are definitely correct. Give yourself a big thumbs up, okay? All right, let's make progress. So like I explained in today's lesson, we are learning to multiply by 1 and 0. Multiplication by 1. How does this work? Over here, I have 3 times 1 is equals to 3. How did I get 3? Now, remember, we are multiplying by 1. We have one group of 3. 3 times 1. The representation shows us it's one group of 3. So the answer stays the same. So 3 times 1 is 3. We have one group of 3 items. So any number multiplied by 1 stays the same. It doesn't matter the number. 1 million multiplied by 1 is 1 million. 100,000 multiplied by 1 is 100,000. Keep these rules in memory. Any number multiplied by 1 remains that same number. Okay. Here is another example. 5 times 1. We have one group of 5. One group of 5 items. So any number multiplied by 1 once again stays the same. I hope you were able to get that. Now let's look at multiplying by 1 using a representation. So the first one here says draw it. It has been drawn. Now describe it. There is how many group of what? How many group of what? So we have one group of 11 ones. We have 11 ones. Let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have one group of 11 ones. And over here we have how many groups? 3 groups of what? 0. 3 groups of 0. There is nothing inside because it's 3 groups of 0. Now let's write it and see what it looks like. The multiplication sentence. So 11 times 1 is 11 and 0 times 3 is 0, or 3 times 0 is 0. Let's look at multiplying by 0 so you understand the concept better. So 0 times 3 is equals to 0. We have 3 groups of nothing. There is nothing to multiply with. So it's always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. It doesn't matter the number. 1 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 1 million times 0 is 0. When you multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. I hope you got that. One more example. 0 times 5. We have 5 groups of nothing. So our answer remains 0. Now have a go at this challenge question. Have a go at these, and when you are done, give yourself a thumbs up if you got them correctly. 0 times 0 is what? 42 multiply what? We give you 42. I bet you already know that answer. 1 times 1 is what? And 1 times what? We give you 432. Then complete the bar model and use it to write a multiplication calculation and the associated facts. What numbers are missing here? that makes 9 up here. When you are done, write a multiplication sentence about it. Okay, I hope today's lesson is clear. Let me know how you felt about the lesson, and I will see you in our next video. Bye for now.